Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate like an AI photo style, and like what you can do if you don't like the first one, like the first result that they gave you. So select a photo like this one, and then select add, and then go to style, AI photo, and for instance you chose the Miss Glamorous one and you didn't like the result that they gave you. You are just going to have to select a new project, and you're going to have to select the photo again and then go to style again to generate a new one, because it doesn't work if you're going to generate another one in that same project. And once you're happy with the new one, you can now edit your photo, I guess. And that's it. It's just going, I don't know why it's taking a long time to generate this one, but that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!